In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted designs in Canva. If you've accidentally deleted a design or cleaned up a little too quickly, don't worry. Canva makes it simple to bring your work back. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. Start on your Canva home screen and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Projects. This is your central hub for everything you've created or saved, including folders, shared items, and, importantly for today, your trash. Think of projects as your file cabinet inside Canva. It's where your designs live, even after you've deleted them temporarily. Inside Projects, find and click on Trash. This is where recently deleted designs are stored for a limited time before they're removed permanently. The retention period can vary, but it's typically around 30 days. If the item you're looking for was deleted very recently, it should appear here. You'll see thumbnails of deleted designs, which makes it easier to spot the right one at a glance. Once you're in the trash, hover your mouse over the design you want to bring back. When you hover, a small menu appears. Look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those three dots. If you're on a smaller screen or using List View, the dots might appear at the end of the item's row, but they work the same way. From that menu, click Restore. Canva will immediately move the design out of the trash and place it back where it originally lived, whether that was in your main projects area or inside a specific folder. Any share links you previously used for that design should start working again, and you can open the design as usual to continue editing. A few quick tips to avoid confusion. Before you restore, check the thumbnail and modified date to make sure you're selecting the right version, especially if you have duplicates or similarly named files. If you don't see what you're expecting in trash, make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, since each workspace has its own projects and trash areas. And if a design has been permanently deleted, or the trash window has passed, it won't be recoverable. That's all there is to it. Click Projects, open Trash, hover to reveal the three dots, and choose Restore. With these steps, you can confidently get your deleted Canva designs back and pick up right where you left off.